The first step of the accessory package is to install the hand pull valve. Put the smallest wrench. After installation, the second step is to take the non-6 wrench and install the oil tank. The oil tank is in the back. Lock like this. The third step is to install this. There's an extra trachea here. This trachea is inserted directly here. Plug the air compressor directly. The trachea of the air compressor is directly inserted here. Then this hand pull valve. This is for air on and off. Let's breathe in. Turn off the gas when you drive outside. And then the front. Don't power on first. Sure, I'll just grab a bottle and I'll show you. Then the height is not enough to shake. The height is rocked by this hand rocker. The state of tightening the lid. Shake it in and pinch the wheel tightly. Pinch the wheels tightly. Both sides can be adjusted at the same time. Take this black one as the center. Squeeze like this. Leave about 0.55 mm on both sides. Yeah, a little bit. It's the same here. After adjusting one point, why don't you lock the nut to it? Adjust this height. And then like this, it's basically adjusted. You can power on after adjusting it here. After charging, here is the time to set the top cover. Click here to set where to flush. Then the front can be adjusted. Move to the right general regular lid 0.420 seconds. You can add it here and move it over. If this does not need to be adjusted, you can click to exit. This is the waiting time. Waiting time is only when it works automatically. It only works automatically. Let's say you want the machine to be on all the time. And you lay your hands flat for 3 seconds. Then set it for 3 seconds. That's it. Then this side is with padded cotton. Take out the wrench first. 404 wrench. No, side wrench. Then adjust the height here for it. Don't open this gas. Loosen this first. After it is loosened, is this the right section? Right in the middle. This is the state of collection when shipping. To pull it out. Pull it out just like this. Top here, then hold it down and lock it. Same thing on the other side. Here, hold this out for it. Stretch out when you're not breathing, then lock it up. Surely he won't move. Adjust the strip.